Take some footage.
It went off?
Yeah.
It's video.
All I see is myself.
Ew.
That's not good.
One in the chamber. Okay. Safety's on. Take your safety off.
Okay. You have to pump it each time?
Yep.
Pump it? But it's already pumped?
You're pumped the first time.
How Not to Shoot a Gun by Steve Nutt. Oh, nice stance. Oh!
Oh, you gotta pump it.
I like the...
Pump it. Okay.
Oh, it came out!
Yeah, you don't go swinging around. You want to stay in your position out there. You don't want to accidentally shoot somebody.
If you shoot me, I'm going to be pissed. Oh!
Oh, you gotta pump it! I just want automatic here. Here, wait.
Whoa. You got a bullet in there.
I know.
So keep pointing that way.
I want another one.
Okay, hold on. Keep pointed away from it. One more.
Yeah, give me two.
Okay. Let me tell you. When that thing comes out, if it's going away from you, just put it right, just bead right on it. If it's going away from you, kind of get in front of it.
Okay, got it.
Right?
Oh! Ah!
Damn!
You got a shell in there, so let me get you two more.
Maybe you'd shoot better if you're in the back of the Jeep.
How am I missing them?
It takes a little bit to get used to.
You got to point at them.
Yeah, aiming, it helps, I heard.
Ready?
Yeah.
Be the ball. Oh! Nice.
Yeah!
Nice.
Got one in this
I know.
chamber.
I'm not gonna rear around. My shoulder hurts.
My shoulder.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my shoulder.
Hey, that really happened. Well, you got it. Oh!
Fuck yeah!
Nice shot.
My pitch is done!
I think it's almost easier if it goes across to you than straight out, huh?
Yeah.
Because you were hitting them better when it was going across you instead of straight out, too.
Yep.
Oh.
Did
Ready?
you just shit yourself?
I think I just sharted. Oh! The second one got it. Nice.
Alright, who's next? That's cool. I think it's hot.
Well, Joby lives in Texas now. He's probably used to shooting guns.